Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to restore a deleted board in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to monday.com if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see that we have the home screen, my work, and we have the new board and all of those things. In the top right corner, as always, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and restore the deleted board in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do to restore any component from the trash section, select one or more items from the left side and then click on the restore button from the bottom pane that appears. You can also restore an individual item by clicking on the three-dot menu to the far right and selecting restore. So basically all the items will be when you click on the top right corner here, you can go and you can see that we have deleted board and archive board where you can go and check them out. Or when you click, as you can see, you have the trash where you can then also go and locate them once that you deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow this channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.